Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this Apple iPad Air 2. It's a LCD digitizer combo because the customer tried to save some money, but I told her that it is impossible for me to fix it, and it's going to take a long time because the LCD and then the glass digitizer, it has a UV glue, so they glue those two panels together. So if I just want to remove the glass alone, it is going to be very hard to pry out, even though if you have the special wiring strings to pull it out. You're going to spend more time to put the UV glue in between, and you also need to align correctly, and also that UV glue is going to make it so messy unless you have a special equipment. So as you see, it is a pretty bad crack. So imagine I need to pry out those small pieces little by little. I'm probably going to spend like a whole day just to pry out the glass itself apart from the from the LCD panel. So anyway, this is the brand new LCD digitizer combo. I'm going to open this up and see. Wow, pack it pretty well. So it says iPad Air 2 Assemble Premium Black. It's an original LCD assembly plus sleep sensor plus TESA for iPad Air 2 Black. Third-party replacement parts. Parts are tested for functionality, quality, and compatibility with the product it is intended to be used for. Parts are not always original and are not claimed as such. So take this out and see. Fitting there's pretty tight. Wow, look at the fingerprint. So yeah, it comes with a double-sided tape, which is good. Last time I purchased the Digitizer alone, it did not come with the double-sided tape. So you see the LCD panel and then the glass digitizer. Those are very, very thin. So imagine I need to pry out open, and I probably would damage the thin layer of this LCD panel. So I've been looking around. They range about $79.99 to up to $100, $200, or even $300, depending on who you buy it from. And this seller was selling two of them. One is the white one, and the other one is the black one. And for $65 only. So I had to jump on it. So after I jump on it, and the other one, the white one, got sold out as well. So if you find a good deal, you need to jump on it right away. Don't hesitate, or you're gonna lose out. So anyway, I'll be doing a repair video on this, and hopefully it's gonna be simple and easy. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.